What's up, guys? So as you can tell, I got the car outside now and we're gonna do a deep, nice, clean wash of it. The reason we're doing that is we're prepping it for the next little install I'm gonna be doing. It's another exterior mod, nothing performance wise, but it's something you guys might like just as much as I will. So let's go ahead and get this thing clean, do a little time lapse and everything for you guys, and probably won't be this video, but the next one, it's gonna be something you guys might like. So I already have it here. I just haven't had the time to install it, so I finally got some stuff settled, got some time on my hands, and hopefully I'll be doing that here pretty soon. So let's go ahead and get this washed like I've already been saying. This thing is filthy. It's been to and from Yuma. That's 300 miles each way. It's been through San Diego, the beach, all that. And just, it's time to get this thing clean. Let's do a little time lapse, get this thing cleaned, and I'll tell you guys what's going on at the end of the video, so stay tuned. Now for the fun part, I do my wheels last because I use a different cloth or microfiber, whatever you want to call this thing, because I don't want to get the extra dirt and hard grime on the paint of the car. So I'm gonna use the same soap and I'm gonna go ahead and hit these wheels up. After that, it's time to dry, and I'll be letting you guys know what exactly is gonna be next on this car. Yeah, let's just get these wheels nice and clean. I'm still super upset about that. That happened about 2 to 3 months into getting this car. Somebody was on my tail when I was trying to make a turn, so I kind of took it a little too fast and popped a corner. Bummer. That's like, I freaking hate that, and it's pretty deep. Yeah. Forgot to mention this, I'm pretty much done drying the car up, but I do use the absorber. Works pretty good. Basically, it's like a big, I don't know what kind of material this is, but you can basically wring it out each time and it catches everything pretty good, all the water. And what it also does is it doesn't leave lint on your car, which normal towels do, and that's annoying. And these, you don't even have to wash them. You just wring them out, put them back in the thing, and use it for the next time. So if you guys want something other than a towel, this is a good choice to go to. And if you are interested, I'll leave it down in the description below. Alright, so the car is all nice and clean. And I'm going to reveal to you guys what I actually bought and what's in store for this car. One more little quick hint. I am going to have to take off this vortex generator for one, clean the top surface. You guys might already be knowing where I'm going with this. I've talked about it in a couple of vlogs before, but ready? That is 3M vinyl, and it is a gloss black. So I didn't go with the matte or anything. And what I'm going to be doing is attempting, I say attempt because I don't know how easy that's going to be, but I'm gonna go ahead and wrap my roof. As you guys know, I've been kind of on the edge about doing this for a while now. I didn't know if I want to go ahead and pay somebody to personally do it or try it myself. So this is only like 35 bucks. I was like, why not? But of course I'm gonna have to go check shipping and everything, and it was another $35. So 70 bucks to get it out here to the door. By $220, $250 to get it done at a shop locally here in California where I reside. So I figured, why not? Let me go ahead and try to do this myself. If anything, it's a learning experience. But yeah, it's one way to save some money and add some more style to the car. Like I said, it's something I've been wanting to do for a while. And once that's done, I'll probably do some headlight stuff, and that'll probably be it for exterior wise. And then kind of whip by and wait my time until my warranty goes bye-bye, and then more performance stuff will be on its way. But one little last look for the video, and yeah, should be pretty exciting. Today is Friday, so I have all weekend, and I'll see how easy or uneasy this is. So stay tuned for that, and hopefully that video gets pushed out for you guys sooner than later. And other than that, I just want to say thanks for watching. Leave some love down in the comments below, and as always, I want to say thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.